Hello traders, hopeful everyone is doing great, and it has been a while since I shared such kind of information like this, that is weekly market breakdown or the analysis for the coming week. And in front of you here today, I will present the the breakdown of coming next week market analysis, so that you can be able to know where the direction of the market on different pairs is heading. And by not wasting your time, please kindly make sure you have subscribed our channel Divine Forex, and make sure you like our contents, you share, and if there is any challenge or any suggestion or any thought you want to share with us, don't hesitate to comment or contact us directly. Through our number is 0755 507 500, 0755 507 500. So in front of you here is DXY. This is dollar index. This dollar index, one of the many of advantage of why I usually analyze this dollar index, it is because it shows the strength of US dollar. US dollar. So by analyzing this DXY, obvious, it is easy for me to determine where the direction of other pairs, other USD pairs, especially EURUSD, GBPUSD, USD SHF, USD CAD, AUDUSD, and ZUSD, the direction of those pairs is heading. So by analyzing this UDXY, I have a wide variety on how I could take advantage on those pairs, almost 7 pairs. So knowing the direction of 7 pairs, it is give me big possibility of having different kinds of setup, and which setup should I take and which setup I have to ignore them. That's why I usually like to analyze DXY first before jumping to other US dollar related pairs. So by starting, let us start on this is weekly time frame. Let us jump to monthly time frame. Simply, I usually insist in my students on identifying a market trend. Usually make sure you don't have to complicate. Make sure you visualize it simply. You visualize it by not drawing any of levels. Maybe these are support and resistance levels, supply and demand areas, areas of liquidities, and so on. So you visualize the market, especially in these higher time frames, by not starting to pinching your chart or trying to minimize, I mean zoom in and zoom out, so that you could have a best view. Best way to analyze the market trend, especially in these higher time frames, monthly, weekly, so on, is by visualizing them. So as you can see here in this monthly time frame, this is dollar index. Let me make it clear. This is dollar index, and this is monthly time frame. You can see here in this monthly time frame, DXY, the strength of this dollar index is very good. No, it's very high. You can see prices creating highs and lows, higher highs and higher lows by creating and breaking structures. As you can see over here, this was our latest high, and the price break it, and now price came and test this break point, the point where price has break previously structured, the breakout point. After breaking this, after coming here, price consolidates here few months, a lot of months. As you can see, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, almost 16 months. It's almost 1 year and 4 months. Price is consolidating around this area. So means that at this point over here, we have a great or high buying pressure around this, which prevents price from continuing to dip to the downside. After further consolidation around this area, you can see price has created a demand. This is a demand area. Why demand area? Because when price trying to penetrate below this point over here, price trying to penetrate below this level over here. Let me draw it clearly. This is support and resistance level. When price was trying to penetrate below this key area over here, this support level, price managed to penetrate until this down. But when this candle wants to close, it came and closed to the upside. So this shows that at this point over here, we have a lot of buyers. Below this area over here, there are so many buyers over here at this level. So which tells us that any place or any area where we have plenty of buyers, that area is called as demand zone. So at this point, due to this fact that this price was rejected at this area and created this a nice pin bar. This is a pin bar which rejects, which is a bullish confirmation candle. This also creates a demand zone, and this demand zone acts like a footprint, whereby in the future price came back and reacting and creating this very nice this we call it this is not a bullish environment, it's like a pacing pattern. You see, it's just a pacing pattern, some kind of inside bar, engulfing, whatever. But this is a good, this is just a good bullish confirmation signal at this area of demand. So after getting such information in this monthly time frame, let us shift to weekly time frame. Let us shift it to weekly time frame, 1 week, weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I can see this was the area support that we have spotted on the monthly time frame. This is the area that we spotted on monthly time frame. It was area that price never penetrate before, and it creates liquidities below, because we have some sort of triple bottoms. We have triple bottoms over here. The first one bottom, the second one, and the third one. So these triple bottoms creates liquidities, because at these triple bottoms, most of traders think that it is a very strong area for us to take trades so as we can go long. So when price came back at the fourth time, many traders were having some kinds of buying opportunities or buying trades around this support level, and their stop losses were below at this key level, this support level over here that created triple bottom. So remember, this market is moved by big financial institutions. We call them market makers. So after that, in market makers, they have to create liquidity before going to the right side of the market. So after taking out these liquidities, because at this lows here we had some liquidities. Liquidities means money. So there are a lot of liquidities at below this level. So market came and swept these liquidities, and then thereafter made a shift on the weekly time frame. This shift on the weekly time frame tells us the trend has shifted, and the weekly time frame or weekly trend has already aligned with a monthly time frame, which is the higher time frame. So after shift, we expect the price to pull back to go inside again and collect those orders that were left at this liquidity area before moving to the right side of the market. And market did as we expected. After that, price came back at this level over here. After reaching this level, this was some kind of area of resistance over here. Price didn't manage to break and made a bit of pullback. After making this bit of pullback, price created some liquidities. This is like some sort of, we call it, on top of these levels over here, we had liquidity at this top over here. So this support level over here act as liquidity, because a lot of traders, after price came back again over here, they think of taking short positions, and their stop losses were above at this area. So price came and sweep their liquidities and cheat them like it is going to the downside, creating panic to them so that they could enter again, and then market reverse to the higher time frame direction. So this is weekly time frame. After price created this area, it remains as our area of support. So we have great internal structures. Now price in internally creating higher high and higher low, higher high. We're expecting price to reach at this level over here. This is major higher high, weekly higher high. That is our expectation. So whenever we took any trades or buying opportunities on DXY, our last target for buying for longs, it will be at this major higher high. This is our final target. So any opportunity that is spotted on lower time frames for taking longs on this DXY on lower time frames, our target will be at this key point here, our major higher high. Then after that, we will pause at the market and see what market will do after reaching at this point. Either will break it or creating some liquidities and going back again, and then continue to push to the upside. But my expectations is to see market prices coming until it reaches this key level. This is just a monthly higher high. This is monthly higher high. This is monthly higher high. Let me current interval and above. This is just a monthly higher high. This is monthly higher high. So we are expecting on monthly time frame price to reach at this point. So our longs target for the long term or in swing or positioning trading, because until price reaches here, it will take us some few months. It may either took 3, 6, 7, even 8 months until price reaches at this point. So it's not easy job to hold the position until price reaches at this area. But in lower time frames, we know that the major direction of the DXY is bullish, so that we can take advantage on lower time frames, buying taking some position in short terms, knowing that our major bias is bullish. So this is daily. Also, as you can see here on daily time frame, price has already aligned with monthly, weekly, bullish bias. It's bullish bias. So we are expecting price to keep continuing to moving to the upside. So what are we going to do on lower time frames from 4 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, even 15 minutes? The only opportunities that we are going to look on these lower time frames is buying opportunities only. Those are opportunities that we are going to take on this particular instrument, dollar index. So we are going to look for buying opportunities only on lower time frame. So let us see, after price broke this structure, price broke and then it pauses here in just a single day. After that, it continues. So this level over here creates as a continuation. This is just a continuation. price continuation over here. So in future, if price made a pullback, I expect the price to come and take other opportunities around this area of demand, supply and demand, and this area of demand, which is spotted on daily time frame, because this is like rally base. Remember, in a base, price usually pauses, so it has created a liquidity area. Here is where sellers try to push price down, but buyers have greater strength, and then it pauses, and then price manage to keep going to the upside. So in future, what I'm expecting is to see price came back over here and then continue to go to the upside. So let us see what is intraday trends telling us, especially on 4 hours. As you can see here, this is just a 4 hour. This is a very clear picture. Let us move first to the daily time frame and see, after price hit this area, created some liquidities over here, equal highs. Remember, liquidity, it's like a magnet. It usually attracts price. So any place where there is liquidity, usually market will follow it. So remember to take advantage on these liquidity areas. As you can see over here, we had a nice area of demand, and price came back here and reacted very nicely before moving to the downside. So I want to see this area on lower time frame, so that it will be easy for us to know the 4 hour our intraday trend. So after price reached over this point, remember before we had in 4 hour we had high, higher, low. Then we had this high, then we had this. This was high, this high never this low never violated. So we had higher low, higher low, then higher high. So this point over here, this is the 4 hour break of structure. This is just a 4 hour break of structure. Current interval only. This is just a 4 hour BOS. This is 4 hour B break of structure. So if it is 4 hour break of structure, means 4 hour BOS tells us, simplifies our work, where price will come back. So we could see if 4 hour is bullish and we have 4 hour break of structure, it is either price will came back to these areas of liquidity below here, or it will push at this point, which is daily area of demand. So my expectation is to see if price will make a pullback or retracement, expecting to see price came to this area of daily area of demand before moving to the upside. So we'll see the I mean the on Monday, when market opens, we'll see that if price will made a pullback. So I'm expecting the price to retrace, or to pull back until it reaches this area over here, this area of liquidities, before pushing to the upside. Otherwise, I would like to see price continuing pushing to the upside on this 4 hours. If the pullback will never happen at this point, what will tell me that the pullback is going to start very shortly, it is by seeing that the next candle, 4 hour candle, will break these previous lows of this candle. After this candle lows broken, then I'll think of taking buys at this area. Otherwise, I'm still bullish, and I'll keep looking for opportunities on one hour. Let us see on 1 hour what is happening within this 4 hour candlestick. This is just a 4 hour candlestick. Visibility on table. I want to see this candlestick on these boundaries of this candlestick on 1 hour, seeing if we could have area of liquidities in 1 hour. As you can see here, in 1 hour, we had this area of liquidities over this point, and market made a retracement. So on next week, I'm expecting, if price will keep respecting this level over here from tomorrow, if price will keep respecting this level over here, which few almost 10 pips. So I'll keep buying on this DXY. If this level being violated and price managed to close below this this price here, 105.826, then I will think of buying at this area, at this area, daily area of liquidity. This is where I will think of buying. Otherwise, I will keep buying around this area, moving to the upside. So after seeing that these scenarios on DXY, now we know which direction Euro USD is about to keep moving. Yes, so in Euro USD, very simply, we are expecting to see Euro USD keep moving to the downside. I'm expecting to see Euro USD keep falling. GBPUSD also, I'm expecting to see GBPUSD keep moving to the downside. USD CAD as well, I'm expecting to see USD CAD keep moving to the upside. USD CHF also, I'm expecting to see it is keep moving to the upside. And ZUSD, I'm expecting to see it keep moving to the bottom, to the downside, keep selling. So on this EURUSD, GBPUSD, and ZUSD and AUDUSD, I'm suggesting you to look only for selling opportunities. And USD CHF, USD CAD, USD JPY, keep looking for buying opportunities only. That is what I could advise. You. Also, this was in USD pairs together with dollar index. Now let us move to gold. This is goldie and this is monthly time frame. As you can see, price has already broken all times high and price is very strongly bullish on monthly time frame. But I'm expecting to see price keep moving to the upside, since we had this on previous months. We had this Marubozu, and Marubozu usually shows us a strength of the trends in a particular direction. So on lower time frame, we keep looking for buying opportunities only. As I can see, last week candle closed at a pin bar, showing that a lot of traders were trying to short at this area. But remember, trying to sell at this area over here or trying to short on gold, it is very critical, because it's like you are trying to catch a falling knife. So I would advise you never try to look for counter trends on gold. Just find or spot your areas of liquidities, then you can keep buying on gold only. That is my advice. So this is weekly, and weekly is very strong bullish, as you can see, and the daily time frame also is also very strong bullish. As you can see here, we had a very nice bullish engulfing pattern. So this bullish engulfing pattern signifies that the strength of the trend is very strong. After this bullish engulfing pattern, then we had liquidity areas below at this area. So we'll try to short this market if price will close below this price, 2319.395. So then we'll think of counter trending to this daily area of liquidities, and especially the first area that we will look at, it will be this area over here. This will be our first area to think of taking buying opportunities. This is just a daily area of liquidity if price will manage to close below at this area. Otherwise, we'll keep looking for buying opportunity. Let us see on this 4-hour time frame. As you can see over here, we have a very clear and very strong 4-hour area of liquidity. So at this point on the opening of the market, I will try to look for confirmations, and then I'll try to take buying opportunities based on this liquidity area over here, because all the trends from monthly, weekly, daily up to 4-hour is very strong bullish, and price made a retracement to this 4-hour area of liquidity. So this is a place where I think of buying. You can see higher high, higher low, then you had higher high. This is higher high, then this is higher low, this is higher high. So if price manage to close below at this area, then I will keep an eye on the daily area of liquidities only. So this is Goldie, and by next week, I'll try to think of taking buying opportunities around this area. And this is 2 hour. This is 2 hour. As you can see, we are very nice levels over here. Very clear levels over here. This is 2 hours. So this is the area also refined for our area. And at 1 hour time frame, as you can see here, we had this very good area. This is just a very good area for us to take buying opportunities. So upon the opening of the market, I'll try to think of buying on this Goldie. So on Goldie, I'm bullish. On DXY also, I'm bullish. I am bullish. So let us see what will happen on next week. So until there, I would like to say thank you for watching, and thank you for liking, subscribing. So keep watching our videos so that you could gain something about trading. Have a nice trading week. Thank you.